think one of the benefits that we're seeing from our partnership with NCR Atleos is that they're a true partner. When you're trying to find a partner that's aligned with your objectives, that can be a difficult thing to do. And from my experience, we've seen that NCR Atleos is absolutely as committed to our members as we are.
Their goals align with our goals. NCR Atleos has the technology that we needed in order to continue on with our strategic plan at Utah Community Credit Union, and NCR was able to provide that for us. Not only were they able to provide it for us, they were able to walk us through the process to be able to get to the finish line. That's the biggest benefit I see with that relationship.
I think some of the challenges that we are facing at Utah Community Credit Union that NCR Atleos is helping us overcome is growth challenges. We want to grow like most institutions. We want to grow and be a part of the communities that we serve. NCR Atleos is helping us do that.
We've learned some things along the way, and we're still learning those tips and tricks, and NCR Atleos helps us to get over those.